The Pacific Palisades is a neighborhood located in Los Angeles County. Our clients are a family of three that bought a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath, 931 square foot bungalow. Their goal was to utilize the space better and to update the design to a standard that really reflected the neighborhood. These are the before pictures. The space was really beautiful. The kitchen was a little bit outdated, so was the bathroom. And they just wanted to make sure that they made the best use of the space. The before shows you the primary bathroom and the guest bathroom were not fully utilized to the best that they could be. In the new design, we brought down the kitchen size, expanded the primary, and added 2 full bathrooms. You can see with the design that we're really trying to honor the area from the 80s and 90s where there was a big boom. I would say Nancy Meyers, Steve Martin's Father of the Bride, that sort of energy. They really wanted to make a focal point around the fireplace. For the kitchen, they brought it down from 6 feet to 3 feet, basically making sure that they could still cook a Thanksgiving dinner. They can do that in this space with a full kitchen. The washer and dryer is also hidden behind the cabinets of the fridge. The poofs could be replaced with a small banquette dining area, but they do eat outside quite a bit. The first bedroom that you're looking at is actually ready for a built-in closet. They decided to opt out for that, and they wanted to make the best use of space. They wanted to see that they would be able to eventually grow it into a bed. So obviously bunk beds down in the future, but for now, that's the idea. The bathroom is a full bathroom, so they'll be able to have guests, and the toddler can actually go in there and take a shower. After you go through the doorway, you have a primary bathroom that is away from foot traffic, which they really wanted. The closet was also really important for them to block off and have better use of space and more storage. The wall is actually something that they could opt to do or not do. They really wanted that separation of space and define it. They can put a full queen-size bed or they can do a king-size mattress. And that is the space. We hope you like it. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe, and we can't wait to see you next time.